Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this session, let us continue from chapter 2, part 1, and today we'll be doing part 2, 50 MCQ questions. Question number 51. Which one of the following may require pollinators but is genetically similar to autogamy? And it is option number 1, getinogamy. Question number 52. Transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of another flower of the same plant is known as option number 4, getinogamy. Question number 53. Transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of a flower of different plant is known as option number 2, xenogamy. Question number 54. Pollination which brings genetically different types of pollen grains to the stigma is option number 2, xenogamy. Question number 55. Getinogamy is seen in option number 3, maize. Question number 56. Getinogamy is option number 1, genetically similar to autogamy. Question number 57. A dioecious flowering plant prevents both option number 1, autogamy and getinogamy. Question number 58. Both autogamy and getinogamy are prevented in, it is option number 1, papaya. Question number 59. Flowers which do not open at all are called dash flowers, and it is option number 2, cleistogamous. Question number 60. Wind pollinated flowers are option number 3, produce sticky and light pollen grains. Question number 61. Flowers with exposed anthers and stigma are generally pollinated by, it is option number 3, wind. Question number 62. Attractants and rewards are required for pollination by, it is option number 1, insects. Question number 63. Flowers which have single ovule in the ovary and are packed into inflorescence are usually pollinated by, it is option number 2, wind. So question number 64. A flower which has a large feathery stigma and a single ovule in its ovary is often pollinated by, it is option number 3, wind. Question number 65. Yucca exhibits, it is option number 4, that is xenogamy. Question number 66. The plant in which the moth lays its eggs in the locule of the ovary is, it is option number 1, yucca plant. Question number 67. Examples for plants which produce a safe place for the insects to lay their eggs are option number 1, yucca and Amorphophallus. Question number 68. Examples for plants which produce cleistogamous flowers are, it is option number 3, oxalis and commelina. Question number 69. Tassels in corn are nothing but, it's option number 1, stigma and style. Question number 70. Flower is 6 feet in height in, that is option number 4, Amorphophallus. Question number 71. Pollination in Ecornia and Pistia is brought about by the agency of option number 1, water. Question number 72. Pollination in Vallisneria and Zostera is brought about by the agency of option number 1, water. Question number 73. Zostera is a plant growing in, on or option number 1, marine habitat. Question number 74. Flowers are large, colorful, fragrant and rich in nectar in plants pollinated by option number 2, insects. Question number 75. Which of the following are the important floral rewards to the animal pollinators? And it's option 2, nectar and pollen grains. Question number 76. Flowers pollinated by insects are characterized by option number 2, sticky and rough pollen grains. Question number 77. Even in the absence of pollinating agents, seed setting is assured in, it is option number 2, commelina or oxalis. Question number 78. Emasculation is not required when flowers are, it is option number 3, unisexual. Question number 79. Removal of anthers from the flower bud before the anther dehisces is called, it is option number 3, emasculation. Question number 80. Which of the following is an artificial hybridization technique? It is option number 3, emasculation. Question number 81. In the female gametophyte of an angiosperm, the following structures degenerate after fertilization, and the option is 3, antipodals and synergids. Question number 82. In a fertilized female gametophyte, the following are haploid, diploid and triploid structures respectively, and there is option number 3, synergids, zygote and primary endosperm nucleus. Question number 83. In a fertilized ovule, haploid, diploid and triploid conditions occur respectively in, and it is option number 4, antipodals, nucellus and endosperm. Question number 84. The number of chromosomes in the megaspore of an angiosperm is 24. What would be the number of chromosomes in the cells of its endosperm? So the option is 472. Question number 85. The number of chromosomes in the cells of the endosperm of an angiosperm is 48. What would be the number of chromosomes in the megaspore mother cell from which it is produced? And the option is 332. Question number 86. The male gametes in maize plant have 10 chromosomes. The chromosome number in their female gamete, zygote and the cells of their seedling will be dash respectively. And the option is 3, 10, 20 and 20. Question number 87. If the number of chromosomes in the gametes of the potato is 24, then what is the chromosome number in its meiocytes? So the option is 448. Question number 88. The number of chromosomes in meiocytes of onion is 16. What would be the number of chromosomes in their microspore mother cells and gametes respectively? So the option is 2, 16 and 8. Question number 89. The diploid number of an angiosperm is 24. Which one of the following will have only 12 chromosomes? And the option is 3 synergids. Question number 90. In the angiosperms, the pollen tube releases the male gametes into, and the option is 3 synergid. Question number 91. Double fertilization is exhibited by, and the option is 3 strobilanthes. Question number 92. In double fertilization and triple fusion in angiosperm, how many nuclei are involved? And the option is 4, that is 5. Question number 93. Triple fusion involves the fusion of, and the option is 3 male gamete and the polar nuclei. Question number 94. The fusion of male gamete and the polar nuclei results in the formation of, and the option is 1 primary endosperm nucleus. Question number 95. In angiosperms, triple fusion is required for the formation of, and the option is 1 primary endosperm nucleus. Question number 96. In double fertilization, one male gamete fuses with the egg and the other, it is option number 2, other with the secondary nucleus. Question number 97. The correct sequence of the stages of embryogenesis in flowering plants is, it is option number 2, proembryo, globular embryo, heart-shaped embryo and then the mature embryo. Question number 98. Milky water of tender coconut is, it is option number 1, free nuclear endosperm. Question number 99. The morphological nature of the edible part of coconut is, it is option number 2, endosperm. Question number 100. The plumule and the radicle of the seed develop into dash respectively, and it is option 1, shoot and root. Thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned for such videos. Kindly do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.